Busy mornings, long workdays, gym sessions ahead, you need more than just coffee, you need fuel. Meet your new go-to Ensure Max Protein Shake Café Mocha, a powerful meal supplement with real coffee flavor and serious benefits. 30 grams of high-quality protein to help build muscle, only 1 gram of sugar guilt-free goodness, 4 grams of fiber to keep you full and satisfied. Café Mocha, flavor with 100 milligrams of caffeine. Yes, it can replace your coffee. It's ready to drink, no blender, no prep, just grab, shake, sip, and go. Whether you're in New York or London, Ensure Max Protein is your anytime boost. Breakfast, post-workout, or midday pick-me-up. Grab the 12-pack now, keep your fridge stocked and your body fueled. Available on Amazon with Prime delivery. Perfect for home, gym, or office. Ensure Max Protein Café Mocha. Fuel your day, power your goals. Shop now on Amazon. #Ensure Max Protein, #protein, on the go, #healthy lifestyle.